Hi guys, today we are going to integrate Firebase with Android application. For this you have to sign in with Google account. You have to go to Firebase console.firebase.google.com and sign in with your account. After sign in, you will be getting two options to create a new project or go with the existing project. We will be going with the new project here. Give a name to the project. Give a ID and a country, and that's it. This will create the project in Google Cloud Platform as well. Accept the terms and conditions, and here you go. Once the project is created, there will be an option to create the link with the Android application or iOS application or web app. Firebase provides many features like analytics, database, authentication, which will be discussed later in my videos. You can put in your database in JSON format or store your images or videos that can be fetched over the air in no time from the cloud to directly your app. This way you don't need any server for hosting your database. Now we can create here Android application. Creating the Android application with your package name same as that of your Android application in Android Studio. You can give any optional name here. SHA1 also we can put, but it's required only when you are using authentication feature of Firebase. The package name should be same as that of the Android application. After registering, you will be getting a link to download google-services.json file. This file you have to create in the app folder directly in your Android Studio. Once you have put this file, your project will be linked with the Firebase project. After this, you have to add some dependencies in root file build.gradle and some dependencies in module build.gradle. Also, you have to add a plugin to use Google services. After this, the installation will be done. How to use database, storage, authentication, analytics. For that, you have to add dependencies for every specific feature that you want to use. Suppose you want to use analytics, so you can put in com.firebase.google.com :core, and that's it. You will be integrating with analytics. For using database, you can put in this dependency, and so on. There are many features and many interesting features to explore. I will be explaining each and every one in my future videos. If you like the video, please hit the subscribe button and like button. Thank you. Bye.